Want this?
A feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all. Fearless.
So first I'm going to search for Fabiano Caruana and click here, click the username, and now we're going to search for a game that has a brilliant move. And now you can see that there's a brilliant move. So we're going to click on this, and it's a pawn brilliant, so this is fine. Now we scroll back a bit to about right here, right before the brilliant move, print screen, and I have a built-in recorder, but you could use OBS too. So now after you've done that, we're going to go to CapCut.com, and then after, you may have to log in first. So after you're logged in, we're going to go to Magic Tools, and then scroll down until you find Video Upscaler, and now we'll go to import our thing into it, and it shouldn't take a long time to load, but we'll see. Okay, so after it's finished loading, we'll click upscale, and this would just enhance the quality of the video, so it'll be better for YouTube. Now you could click this if you want to see the original. So now we click export, and now we click download.